Alright, so there it is. This is a 2021 Ford F250 Super Duty in Velocity Blue. And before I get any hate, yes, I have the gas engine in it. It is not a diesel, but that was built by choice. And some of you may have seen it online already, but I am the person that found this socket, if the camera would focus on it, in my truck. Yes, it rolled out from under the seat as we were driving. So, Sean, I still want to mail this socket back to you. I feel like it's got to go back because it's a 10, and we all know how 10 millimeters are always lost. Anyway, it's just a quick walk around. It is a long bed. I did get the blackout package. Those are trimmer steps, had them swapped out. And looking quick inside, I have a couple of things planned for this. We will be doing a video on some rain guards from WeatherTech. We've got some floor mats already in there. I've got my sunshade because I'm very, very particular about putting my sunshade on my vehicles. And yeah, so we will also be putting a brush bar on the front because where I live there are tons of deer and I would like to keep the face looking a little bit pretty, a little bit longer. So, yep, I also have a steel bumper coming in the mail, but I am kind of torn about whether or not to actually put that on. But stay tuned, there'll be more videos to come. Again, this was the socket. It actually did roll out from under the seat, and I really thought it was a shell casing at first. But, just keeping this short and quick. This is the truck. We will be using it to replace the rodeo. Not that I'm getting rid of it, I just am tired of towing with the thing and beating everything up all the time. So we will be not using that anymore for that case, and yeah. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, follow us, share it with your friends. I still don't believe the socket. It's been crazy, so till next time.